An artist usually aims to draw or paint a masterpiece so that they can express themselves. However, there are those artists that do this so that they can earn a significant amount of income. They use the right medium suitable for them. The person should look for interested corporate art buyers who can pay for one's masterpiece. Remember that the buyer is someone who wants to buy artistic masterpieces. This means that they are looking for a painting according to what they believe is beautiful. They will be looking for a painter or artist who can produce the kind of masterpiece that will easily achieve the goal they want and expect payments from it. It is natural for a painter to be meticulous when they are negotiating with purchasers. If they are not careful with the terms they lay out for the negotiations or for when they are looking for purchasers, they might end up having to sell their paintings to the wrong people or at a lower price. This will not benefit the painters at all. The artist should think properly too. It is appropriate for the person to think about where these paintings will be displayed. There are those paintings that are displayed on an office lobby. There are also those which are displayed at an executive's office or at the conference room. It should be flattering to have one's paintings displayed at any of these locations. There is nothing wrong with getting the paintings noticed. In fact, it is highly recommended for the painters to do their best to get the purchasers to notice what they have painted. If they can get their paintings noticed, the offers for their purchase will increase. Consider what methods to employ to get the purchaser's attention. It should be a given for the person to study on others, see how other painters or artists do their deals. With the assistance of other painters or artists, the person should be able to find an easier time in making a deal with a buyer. Do not hesitate to ask them for help. Other painters or artists should be willing to provide their help. Try to visit those companies or corporations which have wall paintings or masterpieces in their lobby or meeting halls. This way, the person can personally inspect these masterpieces and see its beauty. With this, the painter will have a general idea on what kind of paintings are meant to be used. For corporation purposes, do not hesitate to talk with a buyer. Most of the time, it is the buyer that comes to a painter or artist when they are looking for good paintings. This means that an artist does not need to look for the buyer personally. If this is the case, learn how to make a deal with them to have a good chance. During negotiations, there should be other tips available for artists who are interested in selling their paintings. The person will have to decide which of these tips are the most useful. With these tips, the artist will have an easier time with the sales transaction. The artist should sell their paintings to interested corporate art buyers who will appreciate their work.